if the seat post clamp is loose. Start by loosening the side screw of the seat post clamp. Using a small hex screwdriver, lift the lever on the side of the seat post clamp and open the seat post clamp. Use a flat blade screwdriver to tighten the screws on the seat post clamp. You can tighten it one turn first to test the tightness. If it's still a little loose, pull up the lever again, open the seat post clamp, and tighten the screws. After adjusting until the seat post clamp is no longer shaking when closed, tighten the screws on the side of the seat post clamp. When opening the seat post clamp, be sure to pull up the lever and then open it, otherwise the seat post clamp may be easily damaged.